Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Resolve Smart Reframe for YouTube-safe crops. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Resolve Smart Reframe for YouTube-safe crops, start by opening DaVinci Resolve. Ensure you have the latest version installed on your device. Navigate to the project you want to work on. Import your video footage into the media pool. Drag your clip to the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline. Go to the inspector panel located in the upper right corner. Scroll down to find the Smart Reframe option. Enable the Smart Reframe feature by checking the box. Choose your desired aspect ratio for YouTube, typically 16:9 or 9:16. Once you've selected the aspect ratio, click Smart Reframe to apply. Resolve will automatically analyze your clip for subjects and key frames. Monitor the preview window as the software processes your footage. After the initial analysis, review the framing adjustments made by Smart Reframe. Make any manual adjustments if necessary, using the framing tools in the inspector. When satisfied with the reframe, ensure to render your video. Navigate to the Deliver page for exporting your final video. Choose your output settings, ensuring to select a format compatible with YouTube. Click Add to Render Queue, and then start the render process. Once rendering is complete, your YouTube-safe cropped video is ready for upload. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.